Hey guys, this is Canon PIXMA MG2551S. This printer is multifunctional printer. You can copy, scan, print with this printer. Home printing made easy. The printing speed 8 print per minute for black and 4 print per minute for color. This printer uses USB cable connection and is using ink cartridges 545 black and 546. What I want to do is to show you how to install the ink cartridges for this printer. First of all, you need to switch the printer on, plug it onto the power, then open up this section. Ink holder just position itself. Color ink goes to the left, the black goes to the right. So you take the black ink, remove this plastic cover, then take the ink, go in to the black, just need to go in straight, then push it upwards and it's in. Then do the same thing to the colored one. Remove this plastic, then take the ink, go in, just need to go into the setting, push it upwards and it's in. Just make sure it's in properly and it's in, then you close it, then give the printer time to set. The light is now steady green light. If the ink not installed or are missing, you will see a warning light. The B is for black and C is for color. And if you want to remove the ink, what you need to do is you need to open up. Make sure you push this inside, paper rest. Push it inside completely. Then open up this chamber. Once you open it up, then you wait for the ink holder to move and position itself. Then push down. Push down. Once you push it down and remove, push down and remove. If you want to put it back, take the colored one, go in, push it upwards. Once you are in, you will hear a click sound. Then this is black, go in, push it up, then you check, make sure they are in properly, then close it. So this is how to install and replace the ink. Thank you very much.